Welcome back to Math Solver 1117, where math become easy and fun. If you have not subscribed Math Solver 1117, subscribe Math Solver 1117 because in this channel you will find the complete solution of O levels, A levels, IGCSE, GCSE and many others competitive exam. Today's problem is we have s plus 2 whole power is 4 equals 16. You have to find the value of s. So we will solve this question as first of all we will consider s plus 2 whole power is 4 equals 16. Now we will solve this as we will write this as s plus 2 whole power is 4 minus 16 equals 0. Now here we will apply this formula of a square minus b square. According to that we have a minus b into a plus b. So this will become, this is the s plus 2 whole square minus 16 means 4 square and that equals 0. That means we have two pairs. First is s plus 2 square minus 4 and the other one is s plus 2 whole square plus 4, that equals 0. It means there are two possibilities. First of all we will solve s plus 2 whole square minus 4 equals 0 and the other one is s plus 2 whole square plus 4 equals 0. Now solve this, we will get s plus 2 whole square equals 4, s plus 2 equals root of 4 by taking the root on both sides. So this square is cancelled out. We have s plus 2 equals plus minus 2. Then s equals 2 minus 2, which means 0. And the other one is s equals minus 2 means minus 4. Now for the other one we will solve this as it will become s plus 2 whole square equals minus 4. We will write this as s plus 2 whole square equal minus 4 can be write as minus 1 into 2 of 4 can be write as 2 square, since we know that minus 1 equals iota square. So this will become 2 iota square. 2 square iota square is s plus 2 whole square. Taking the root on both sides we will get s plus 2 equals plus minus 2 iota. So there are two possibilities. First is s plus 2 equals 2 iota and the other one is s plus 2 equals minus 2 iota. S equals 2 iota minus 2, then s equal 2 is taken as common, iota minus 1. For this we have s equal minus 2 iota minus 2, s equal minus 2 taken as common, so iota plus 1. Now we will write the solution of all of these. What will be possibilities we have? S equals, because its power is 4, that means we get 4 roots. So s is 0 and minus 4. These two are the real parts and the other one is 2 into iota minus 1 and the next one is minus 2 into iota plus 1. So these are the answers. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also press the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve another interesting Olympiad math problem. Keep learning, keep growing, stay tuned.